Alright, y'all. Dirt Fishman here, y'all. It was another video, y'all. I'm sorry it's been a while since we done one. Say hey.
Hey. Hey.
He wants to say hey.
Hey.
Alright, y'all. We got us some mystery models right here
I'm gonna open that up.
at the store.
I'm gonna open
This one
it up.
right here is number 1.
I'm gonna open it up.
Yes, we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna open it up. I want you to reach in there and grab it, okay? Ready? Let me dump it out in your hand. Let me dump it out in your hand. Hold your hands, both of them together.
The pickup truck.
And a sticker.
Yes.
How about that?
The pickup truck.
Let me see it. There you go. It's the old, what is it? The old GMC Cyclone, the 91.
That's the two of
I
them.
don't know if it's
There's
going to show
two
it or
of
not
them.
on this camera.
There's two of them in this bag.
Well, we are going to put them on a turner for you, too, so you can see them a whole lot better.
Look, there's two of them.
Yeah, and the other mystery model, I found all 3 of them. This is number 2. Here you go, baby. Open both your hands.
Now it's a car.
What we got right here? Number 2 is the 68 Plymouth.
This is
Barracuda.
number 2. This is number
Check
2.
this one out, y'all.
It's number 2.
Hey, babe, that's number 3 right there.
This one is.
Here's number 3. See, it says right there, number 3.
There's a 2 on it though.
All right, hold your hand. That's for Series 2, baby.
It's a police car.
Yeah, it's a police car. It's the Corvette. Not Corvette, Camaro. I don't know why it was hard for me to say that. Camaro. Check it out, y'all.
It's a mirror police car.
Yeah, we are going to put these on the turner. We can see a little bit better on it. And like I said, we got the new Q case, the 65 2+2 fastback. That we'll be opening up too here shortly. All right, y'all. We got a lot to open up right here for y'all, so I'm going to turn the camera around, and as soon as we open them up, we can put them on the turner for you. Let me get the camera situated, turn it around, let me drop it down. All right, here we go. Let me turn it on first, baby. I got to turn it on. I got to turn it on. All right, y'all, the mystery model. Camaro.
That fell down.
It's okay, baby. I can pick it back up.
Why did it fall down?
It just did. It says Beach Patrol on it. How about that? All right. Next one's gonna be the number 2. Put it on there, baby. Which is the Barracuda. I like the old flame job on it. Yeah, that's a nice one there. And the number 1 is the Cyclone. The sought after one right there. That's a pretty one right there, a Cyclone. What's that, baby? Don't leave them alone. Leave them alone. Them are the same ones as these right here. All right, y'all. All right, I'm gonna get him start opening it up. These things right here. Let me get it started for you. Right there you go, baby. Open it up. Oh, you gonna just throw it on the ground, baby. We'll pick it up later. Get the car out of there.
The Mustang.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a Mustang. Open up my hand. There we go. It's kind of I couldn't say what color it is. It looks kind of reddish, burgundy to me. Pretty cool color.
What else can I open up?
Alrighty. Then we got the QKs, the 72 Ford Grand Trino Sport. Alright, baby, open that mirror up. Dump it out in my hand. Is it gonna come out? There we go.
When you shake, when I
Yeah.
shake, it came out.
Check that one out, y'all. That's another pretty casting right there I had to get. Yep. Up next, we have the QK's Ford, the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. Gotta buy me some more display cases, y'all. Already ran out. I got, what is it, about 500 on the wall now? Yeah. Up next, y'all, we got the Q-Case, the Bone Shaker, the golden black. I got it, baby. Here, open this. I get that. You can open this up. Let's let them look at it while you're opening it up. No, still in there. All right. Get that one there out, y'all. That's a nice one there, too. And up next, y'all, wait a second, baby. What is it? You gotta slow down. Wait, we gotta slow down. We got the Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird.
Thunderbird.
Here you go. Yeah, Thunderbird. Come on, pull it off. Check that out now, y'all. That's a nice one there.
It's a Thunderbird.
Yeah, we won't open this up yet. That's a whole nother series. And we got the Q-Case, the 71 Lamborghini Murat SV. Here you go.
It's free. It's on the beach.
Stick your finger right there. There you go. Now rip it out. Oh, rip it. Come on. Uh-oh. That is called, you see that? It's the blue one, y'all. It's another nice one. All right, y'all. Then we got the Q-Case, the 1986 Toyota van in the recolor. Yeah, van. That one came out pretty nice, didn't it?
Yes. It
All
did.
right.
It did come out real nice, Daddy.
Yes, it did. There we go, y'all.
I like real bugs and vans.
Yep. Up next, we got the Aston Martin Vintage GTE. Here, baby.
It came out very good now again.
Yeah. Check that one there out, y'all. That there. These will be different series right here, baby. We'll do a totally different series on these. I get it. Yeah, okay. All right, now we got the old Volkswagen Baja Bug in the recolor. That one came right on out, didn't it?
Yes. I dumped it.
Yeah, me and my son, we collect anything Volkswagen, especially Beetles. He loves Beetles. So I have to get the Beetles for him.
You
Got everything falling down. I got so much, y'all. All right, y'all, we got the new 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. The matchbox is a little hard. Let me get it started for you. I can't even get it started. How about that? There we go. I gotta get it started, baby, because it's hard.
My matchbox is hard.
It has that rubber in it, a piece of plastic in it. All right, now tear it open.
I caught it.
You sure did,
I
didn't you?
caught it before it fell on the floor.
Yes, you did.
I thought it
It goes
fell
the new all
almost went
electric
down.
lightning that I heard is a piece of junk, so don't buy them, y'all. Leave it up there, baby. I'll get the next one. Alright, these moving parts is what's messing everything up. Alright, y'all. Next, we got this Matchbox Dodge Sweep Side pickup.
That's a. I know that's not a Dodge.
Yes, a Dodge, baby.
It's a Chevrolet.
No, it's an old Dodge.
When I always drop a car, I say man down.
Yes, you do say man down. Up next, what we have there?
Be a big.
A 1962 Beetlebug.
Is it a matchbox?
Yeah, it's a Matchbox.
Had a piece of paper on it.
Yeah, it's got a piece of plastic on it. Don't it? Let's take that. I don't want to put the plastic on. There we go.
I
All
caught it
right.
before
Yes, you
it
did
fell.
too.
It had the hook on back of
This
it
is a
too.
nice one here. Matchbox throwing some nice stuff out, y'all, too.
Got it. It's a beetle bag.
Let me see. Now here's a Volkswagen EV4. Got that stupid plastic piece on it, baby. Here, pull it off. Got that plastic piece in it. Can you get it? You need me to get it real quick. Let me get it real quick, baby, and I'll let you pull the car out.
I caught it.
All right. It's another one of these electrical junks. Wait a second, baby. Wait a second, baby. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it for us. Okay. Up next, we got the 94 Lexus LS 400. Wait a second, baby. Here we go. Pull it out. All my cars was wanting to roll off my Turner just about.
Not done yet.
You getting it?
Yes.
All right, put that thing out. There we go.
I like beetle bags.
Yes. I don't want they want the roll. There we go. Wait a second, baby. Wait a second, baby. Wait a second. Wait a second. The video's already too long, baby. We got to end it. All right, y'all. That's me about it for our little video right here that we wanted to do for you. My car's about to roll off. Check that out. I think I got to level my Turner off a little better. Put in the comments which one y'all like the best out of the ones we just showed y'all, and show me and my boys some love, y'all, and share it with y'all's friends. Our channel, Dirt Fisherman. Just tell everybody that y'all can. We're trying to grow our little channel together. Okay, what we say, baby? Come on, what we say? What we say?
Dirt fishing out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel.